Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. In today's video we break down the top 5 best sofa arm trays that are available on the market. I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link in the description section below. And make sure you subscribe to more videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5. UTRAX Wooden Sofa Arm Clip. Do you love snaking as you read your favorite magazine or when watching your favorite TV show? You can now enjoy a drink or a meal when playing games with great convenience. All you need is to invest in this product and it will perfectly hold your drinks, snacks and even the remote control as you rest. Therefore, you do not have to wake up and interrupt your relaxation when you investing it. The product features a protective lip at the edges and this inhibits chances of slipping. In case of any pills, this product contains that without sipping drink spills into your sofa. It also has a spring-loaded clamp allowing you to attach tea to furniture, giving you a flat surface. Hence, it eliminates the need for extra floor space in areas with limited space. The product is made using an eco-friendly rubberwood, making it a highly stylish armrest tray. At number 4. Almond Sofa Couch Remote Holder. Have you been using an inefficient sofa armrest tray that you need to replace? Well, this product here will give you great value and convenience. The product features an improved and new version with enhanced stability. Additionally, this new design gives you perfect usage when resting as it is highly accessible. The back side of this product features a non-slip material that ensures the product sticks firmly on your sofa without any movements to avoid spills. The best thing about this product is that it features environmentally friendly and high-quality PU leather material. Therefore, you can be sure that it looks and feels good in your living room or bedroom. The organizer is easy to clean as all you need is a moist cloth wipe, leaving it sparkling clean. It comes with 3 pockets that you can use to store your phone, remote control, magazines, and tablets. You can readily use this product on protective covers and mattresses. At number 3. SoHappy Brand's Sofa Arm Tray. Have you been searching for the best sofa arm tray that you can buy and get the perfect value for your money? Order this SoHappy Brand's tray and you will never regret the investment. The product features a thick solid wood material that offers great durability. Additionally, it has a smooth premium finish that adds some elegance and sophistication in your space. It also has a sleek backing and smooth edges to avoid scratching your costly sofa. This wooden armrest tray gives you a luxurious look without actually costing a lot. You will love the universal fit that comes with this product. Therefore, you can use it on different sofa models or even on your bedroom couch. The best thing about this product is that it has no chemical smells. Hence, it is perfect for daily use. Moreover, this tray is available at different colors and this gives you options to pick from. At number 2. MyStar Sofa Arm Tray Table. Are you wondering how you can enjoy a movie on your sofa without waking up to take your drink or receive your call? Well, the best way to do that is to invest in this sofa arm tray as it conveniently holds everything that you need to boost your rest and relaxation. As a matter of fact, this product comes with ample storage to ensure that all your personal items are close to you and easily accessible. Additionally, it holds your drinks, food, phone, remote and tissues among other things. It is an easy-to-install product that will only take you seconds to remove. The best thing about this tray is that it features superior durability and so it will serve you for a long period of time. And finally at number 1. Greystone Avenue Couch Tray. Here is a wooden best sofa arm tray that you can buy for an amazing price. The product features a unique and patented design, therefore, it also plays a decorative role, giving your house a sophisticated and elegant touch. As a matter of fact, wood brings a luxurious and vintage look in the house and so your house will definitely look better when using this sofa arm tray. Unlike other products on the market that use EVA, this one features a natural silicone matting that firmly holds the sofa when in use. Therefore, you can be sure that you will not have to deal with slips. You will love the fact this product has a universal fit. Hence, you can use it in the game room, living room or bedroom. It also comes with an adjustable design that allows you to fold it down. This is the perfect sofa arm tray for exquisite performance and look. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.